Alright, let's understand the FlexiFunnels AI website building feature. The idea is that you can type even just one line, and it's going to be that your website, your landing page is going to be ready, but it is going to be like as if the world's top marketer, top copywriter, top designer, all of them are working together to build this website landing page for you. And all that you need to do is just type one line, or maybe even more. So in this whole course we are going to understand everything, the step by step process. So just to show you, for example, this was a demo that I did yesterday, in fact. So for the doctor, I believe, yeah. Um, long. So if you will see, this was the prompt: long form appointment booking page for a dentist. Dentist name is this, based in Indore, and also add these sections. So this is the page that came, and of course the image and all you need to be adding over here. Like in this whole course, I will be showing you everything, right? So this is like with this simple prompt, this whole website is ready, and it goes on the internet on your domain, of course. So we'll understand the whole process. Let me show you one more. So you can even, by the way, give the prompt in any other language. For example, this was regarding vajan ghatwana, weight loss. And if you will see, this is the page that came, right? So totally up to you, the length of the prompt, and the number one, and what do you want, basically, so we'll discuss in complete detail. Let me see if I can show you. Let's see this one. Yeah. So this was, if you will see, just two words: astrology webinar, right? And then this came, and if you will see some animations and stuff which are like very very special, which are like very nicely done. So we will understand this whole structure, and let's come back to this. So we'll understand this whole structure, what exactly this feature is, how this works, and all of these have minute details, so we'll understand them step by step.